Prelude, the code, the key, the model. Earth ascending is not a speculation, but a precise set of keys, a code, a matrix, and ultimately a display of the underlying patterning governing the conscious experience of life on this particular planet. Since the Earth itself is a functional aspect of a larger order, the solar system, in turn an integral member of the galaxy, what is true for the functioning of this planet is inalienably affected by the resonant with the functioning of the larger system of which it is a subset.